Dress up and level up. Yes, it's here. Get your dressing boot on and your dressing dress and your dressing pants and your dressing pretty frock. Because here we are gonna launch our dress up and level up. It means that for this Christmas season during this difficult pandemic time, we will be sending greetings to our family back home, and you are gonna be sure to share the YouTube link with them so they can see your greetings and they can share it. Listen, if you have some Christmas wishes for Jamaica, this is the time you're gonna dress up and level up. By saying those greetings on video, send them to us and we'll be happy to post it for you. So listen, Jamaicans, wherever you are, get ready with me for dress up and level up. You over there? This is beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I am ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, mommy, I'm ready. Daddy, I'm ready. Wife, husband, I'm ready. Let's go to dress up and level up right away.